All right, so I'm gonna say this is pronounced Anwas. Could be wrong, could be right. Strong magnetic car phone mount. Now, I sadly don't remember getting asked about this product because I don't have a car with vents since I have a Model 3 now. But I'm gonna still do an unboxing, show you guys what you have here, just so you can, have an idea of what you would get if you buy one of these off of Amazon. So let's cut our little seal real quick. Now, that was the front of the box. Not a whole lot on the sides. The back shows a strong magnet. Does not block the signal. One-hand operation, rotates 360 degrees. So there's 6 magnets in it total. Small and safe without blocking your signal. Easy to install one-handed operation. Compatible with all phone sizes. So let's see what's in here. Oh, look at that. So nothing else in the box. And here is a plate. Looks like there might be 2, a round one and a square one. Let me show you to make sure, don't want to tell you wrong. So there's a round one and there's also a square one. So you could put one of these on the back of your phone. That's some really sticky 3M tape. And then that would give your phone the ability to magnetize to this. So an iPhone 12 or 13 series has the magnets built in for MagSafe. And if you don't have one of those phones, you could use the round one or the square one, and then you put this on your phone or in your case, and then you'll have that ability to magnetize. It does seem like a very strong magnet. Now to put this together, you just unscrew this and take your other half here, slide this over like so, and then just force this into place, and then you can retighten that. And then also you loosen this here to get it into the vents. And you see it even has a little clip. So you push this into your vent and then retighten this. And then it should not go anywhere unless your entire vent breaks. But this one feels very well made. All the material feels very nice. And the magnet feels very strong, I think. I mean, that's got some catch to it. So yeah, very strong magnet. Everything you'll need to mount your phone in your car to where you can grab it one-handed, and you'll be able to angle this however you want, and then tighten this part. But there you go. That's it for this strong magnetic car phone mount unboxing.